Today is 23rd of January 2021. The weather outside is minus 51 and I tried today go to the post office at about 2.5 kilometers and back it will be 5 kilometers in minus 50 in Yakutsk. I have started from my house kind of this way. Minus 51. I start to go 2.5 kilometers to the post office and then back. So outside pretty foggy. Continue my work walking. Maybe 1 kilometer left. And not left. Was up. Kind of way. Чайковского стрит. There is a Saisars lake. Everything in the foggy. Somebody crossing the lake. I'm going back at home by other way, more longer way, along the lake. 1 kilometer left now. Give me in region. Going to the direction of Merzlotka. Sleepy. Some places sleepy. On Merzlotka you can try even to see a sun. And there the sun. More unfoggy because the air is not so polluted like in the center of the city. Okay. Last 700 meters to my house. When I had returned, it was minus 49. My home.